grapes, but we're gonna put in a chocolate chip cookie. See what happens. Alright.
Oh, I think it's bubbling. Oh, it's melting.
Is it?
Ew, it looks really crispy.
I'd eat that.
Oh, the chocolate chips are looking, they're looking very...
Melted.
Yes. Nothing's really happening.
What if it explodes?
I'm hoping that it doesn't. Just gonna back up though. Go.
Oh god.
Shit!
It's burning!
Oh god! Oh, he burnt it!
It's burnt!
Ew, what the hell is that?
It's bubbling!
No, I mean, what's that big thing on it? What the hell is that? I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on it
That
for you.
smells really good.
Mmm.
I dare you to eat it.
Fuck you.
Alright. See ya.
One more, I guess.
Maybe.